Have you ever been in a situation when actor or actress can't deliver needed emotion or reaction? Or their dialogue sounds fake? If so, watch this video till the end and check 5 cinema magic tricks that could save your next shoot. And if you're new here, my name is Sergey Pudich, and here I'm sharing my decade experience in directing and independent filmmaking. First trick: thinking. Imagine you need your actor to think about something as a reaction to a dialogue line
Мені без різниці.
or the key moment of understanding the truth. This is pretty hard to act, and if the actor or actress is not at top level, probably it would look fake. But not in our shooting set. Here how to overcome it. While you secretly rolling the camera and sound, and by the way, you should create with your DOP and sound guy special sign that without screaming on all set, camera rolling, sound speed, they understood that you asked them to roll. You can do like this, roll, roll, any sign that you all will understand. Just deal with them before. So you are rolling secretly, and now you need to ask questions which will make your actor actually think. Like, what would be 12 multiply 7? Capital of Madagascar or Ethiopia? Which year Jesus was born? You got the idea. One important thing to do before: tell your actor just at the very last moment that you are filming and he need to be on position you asked and answer your question by thinking to themselves. Waiting trick. Practically, you need to make actors to wait, put everyone on position, roll the camera without actor knowing that you do so, with the sign that we just discussed, and just wait. If actor asks to sit, stand, change position, dress, whatever, coffee, create any excuse why he must stand on needed location and wait. Can be anything starting from changing the batteries to sound of the plane passing by. With this way, you avoid stereotypical watching the watch action and create real waiting experience. Hard breathing trick. Here you should be in good relation with your actor. You know, the scene where somebody stop after running or after sex scene. You need to make it real. And you need to oblige them actually do sport before. Run, push-ups, sit-ups, whatever makes them tired and sweaty. Of course, actors, if they're not that young and physically strong, would like to refuse it with excuse that they can actually play it or something like this. Don't trust trick. Do it together with actor, or even better, ask all crew on set to do it. How cool when all the crew doing push-ups, producer, sound guy, makeup, it will make such a nice atmosphere on the set, and plus it will motivate actor to do their part really good. Listening trick. You probably never thought about this, but it's not trivial task to act good as listener, especially if you are not professionally trained actor with set of skills. For example, if this is a mass acting scene. This particular trick came from my friend, one of the greatest Ukrainian actor, teacher, and director, Oleg Karpenko. So imagine the situation when somebody give a speech to people and they must listen. If you put actors, or especially actors of mass scene, in the set just as it is, they will watch the speaker. Watch, not listen. And this is too big difference. And viewer will see it unconsciously. The way to fix it is to make speaker disappear so actors can only hear the speaker. In this simple but not intuitive way, you will make your actors really listen, not watch. And one more trick, and this is my favorite. Imagine you have a dialogue between two actors that starts in the script something like, so what are your plans for weekend? Or, oh, by the way, how is Monica? It sounds super strange when actors start their script lines just immediately after the action. And the script happens in the middle of the meeting of these characters. It's not natural, not interesting, nothing. And here is a trick. You need to ask actors to speak with each other as the characters would do about any topic before, like a weather, kids, favorite books, whatever. And only after, when you feel that they already have a good tension between each other, you say action, and after that, they must to follow the lines. And oh my god, the cinema magic happens. Everything becomes sounds natural. Tell me in the comments which is your favorite trick, and like and subscribe if it was useful. See you next weekend.